Yo, Sonny!
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video on this 4-piece precision pick set. Alright, Husky, made by Husky. Purchased at your big box store. Alright, ideal for the removal of small items in hard to reach areas. Alright, let's move some of this crap out of the way here. Alright, it comes with a straight pick, obviously. Comes with a full 180-degree hook, a 90-degree hook, and a small angle 35-degree hook. Alright, let's see what we got on the back here. What does it say? Alright, ideal for removing small items and hard to reach. Alright, probe end type on cap for easy identification. Alright, if you look at the bottom here, it gives you what they are. So if they're in the toolbox or wherever, you got them placed like this, you can just grab them. Alright, what we're gonna do is I don't have to, but I have an aerator for a, you could see, it's for a faucet, and the well was cleaned out, so a lot of the all the crap came out when it was sanitized. So I'm gonna just see if I could pick this screen off and see what's in there just to check it out. I actually bought new aerators for the faucets, but I just want to see how this thing is made, if it's 1-piece or 2-piece. So I thought, what better to use than one of these picks. So let me open one up and we'll see how it works. See if I can position you here on this little tripod. Alright, let's see. We're gonna go with, really doesn't matter, let's get them all open. Tell you, Huskies come a long way if you're wondering if they're any good. They're not bad. They're not the best tools, but for things like this, they'll work out just perfect. Alright, so let's see. Let's go with the little, let's try this little 90-degree here. So I'm going to just see if I can get, I just want to see if I can get this screen off. Look at that. See how this hook works perfect? You'd never get that off without smashing it apart. Alright, so we got the hook. And then in here we got, looks like a little, oh, look at that. You can get the little washer out. Look at that. These hooks are handy, bro. And then this most likely should come out. See if I just tip it over. I wonder what that little washer was for. Maybe it keeps it from leaking. Well, anyways, we can see what's in there. This doesn't seem like it's going to come out. I don't want to pour it. Well, it doesn't matter if I break it. This one doesn't either. Tell you, besides that screen, it doesn't look too bad. Alright, well anyways, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to shoot this video out really quick on this set of pick tools. Definitely worth having. Throw it in your toolbox or put it on your workbench at home. You never know when you might need them. Probably under $10. I can't remember the exact price. They do have a lifetime warranty, if that matters. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're looking for a pick set, go out and get yourself the Husky. Handles are pretty nice. It's got a little swivel end here. It's like a hard, not a hard rubber, but a hard plastic. This is kind of burned in, so it's pretty cool. It'll last a while. And yeah, that's it. So we'll catch you on the next one. Take care and subscribe, share, and like. And yo, where's Sonny at? Sonny! Is he underneath on his blanket? No. Sonny, where'd you go, pal? Sonny!
Yes, Sonny.
Oh, yeah.